Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to write 7 wonders of the world. Great Wall of China, which is in China, and it was built at around 700 BC. Second is Petra, Man, which is in Jordan, 312 BC. Third is Colosseum, which is located in Rome, Italy, and was built in about AD 80. Fourth is Chichen Itza, which is in Yucatan, Mexico, which was built in about AD 600. Fifth wonder is Machu Picchu, which is in Cusco region, Peru, AD 1450. And the sixth is in our Taj Mahal, which is in Agra, India, and was built in about 1643. Seventh wonder is Christ the Redeemer, which is in Rio de Janeiro. Brazil, which was built in about AD 193. Giza Pyramids has a honorary status of Wonders of India, which is located in Giza Necropolis, Egypt, which was built at around 2560 BC. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.